Today we are going to discussing about inverting amplifier. The input voltage connected to inverting terminal through R1 resistor. The non-inverting terminal is connected to ground. The output voltage V0 is connected to the non-inverting terminal through feedback resistor RF. IN is the input current, IF is the feedback current. This is the circuit diagram of inverting amplifier. Next definition. The op-amp changes phase angle of output voltage or signal exactly 180 degree out of phase with respect to the input signal. Means if you applying signal at inverting terminal, the output is inverted. Means how much inverted? Output voltage exactly 180 degree of out of phase with respect to the input signals. Means 180 degree is inverted. The input voltage is applying to inverting terminal. The working first concept is virtual ground concept. Virtual ground concept. We are discussing about the working. Input resistance Rn. The input resistance of operational amplifier is infinity for a ideal operational amplifier. The current I1 is passing through the inverting terminal and I2 the current passing through non-inverting terminal, both are 0 because input resistance is infinity. Means the no current is passing through inverting and non-inverting terminal, only the current is passing through the feedback resistor, that current is IF. Means I input current IN is equal to feedback current IF. Okay, next open loop gain. Open loop gain. Here gain is equal to what? Output voltage by input voltage. Output voltage by input voltage. In case of ideal operational amplifier, gain is infinity. Means infinity is equal to V0 by VID. VID is equal to V0 by infinity. VID is equal to V0 by infinity. 1 by infinity what? 0. 1 by infinity what? 0. VID is equal to 0. Means VID means what? V2 minus V1 is equal to 0. Means V1 is equal to V2. Next gain formula according to virtual ground concept. The IN is the input current passing through resistor R1. The input current calculate through using Kirchhoff law. The initial voltage Vin, the virtual ground voltage what? V1. Vin minus V1 by R1. According to the virtual ground concept, V1 is equal to V2. The V2 is already connected to ground. V2 is equal to 0 means V1 also 0. V1 also 0 means here V1 is equal to 0 means I in is equal to V in by R1. That is the equation number 1. Next equation, the current passing through the feedback resistor. Next, the current passing through feedback resistor IF. How to find? IF is equal to, this is the V1. V1 minus the final voltage, initial voltage V1, the final voltage V0 by RF. Already you know V1 is equal to 0. V1 is equal to 0 means IF is equal to minus V0 by RF. This is the equation number 2. Both are equating. You get IN is equal to IF. VI by R1 is equal to minus V0 by RF. V0 is equal to minus RF by R1 into VI. Means the output voltage which is inverting of input voltage. Okay, here K is what? K is equal to minus Rf by R1. This is the negative scalar. Next, the output voltage is equal to some multiplier K into input voltage. Next, gain formula. Gain formula. In a inverting amplifier gain is equal to what? V naught by V in. Already V naught we get minus Rf by R1 into Vi. You send Vi left side. V naught by Vi is equal to minus Rf. V naught by Vf. V naught by Vi what? Gain. Gain is equal to what? Minus Rf by R1. This is the gain formula in inverting amplifier.